and gentlemen, today we are selling an RCA True Flat TV. This doesn't get any flatter than this. It's got character, charisma, dust, marks, a plug. You know who else owned this? John Cena!
Hey guys, I'm Andrew and this is Desert Derpers, and today is Tuesday. What's Tuesday? What's Tuesday? It's Tannerite Tuesday, and today we are going to be blowing up 2 pounds of Tannerite. I know we missed you guys last Tuesday. My buddy Randy was on vacation in Portland, so I don't usually film without him. So we didn't film anything. But we're getting you guys back with 2 pounds of Tannerite. If you remember, the last one we did was 1 pound. So we're bumping it up to 2 pounds, and we're gonna blow up that TV and entertainment stand that was donated to us by a subscriber. So we're gonna mix this up, get it downrange, and have some fun.
Like a Hellcat. Like a Hellcat.
Hey guys, so we're here and we're ready to shoot. We got the target downrange, and we're gonna try to capture it as best we can for you guys. And like I said, this big old TV and 2 pounds, hopefully we made it up to you guys that we missed a Tuesday.
Yep, I think it's gonna be quite a makeup video.
Yeah, we're we're anticipating this one a lot. We're about 100 yards away from the target. Thought 100 yards sounded good.
Yeah, we are definitely making sure we're further away, you know, for our safety. You know.
Yeah. So we'll capture as best we can, and enjoy the video.
Yep.
Ready?
Go for it. There's nothing left.
That fart was perfectly timed, but he just ripped ass right before the camera came on, like a minute before we recorded. All right, so there's our little hut where we're shooting from. Our target was downrange. Well, you can't see it anymore, but it was over there. Anyways, we're gonna do the walk up now to check it out. Whew. We'll fast forward this, starting now. Look, so here's what we've got. So, there's a piece of TV. There's pieces of TV spread all the way around, about 10 yards out from the explosion. Look, the entertainment stand is just wood, like pulp.
Dude, check out the pieces of the screen.
Oh look, here's a big glass chunk.
Yeah.
Alright, let's take a look up here. This is where the screen used to be sitting in. What part of the TV is this? Look at the entertainment stand. It blew it. Like, look, it's like pulp. It's like wood chips. Instant wood chipper. Look at that. That was the best explosion yet, right? There's our little camp where we set up at. Oh!
Oh, the plug is still in good shape.
We can reuse that. All right, guys. Well, we hope we came back strong on this one. We missed last Tuesday. We hope we ramped it up for you guys and did something big.
Yeah, we made shit disappear.
We're magicians. I'm Andrew Copperfield, and this is Randy Teller.
All right. Well, this is the end of the episode.
Yep. We'll see you guys in the next Desert Derpers.
Later. So yeah, I'm a YouTuber. Yeah, I make videos. Put them out all the time. Yeah. I'm the main host, and Andrew helps me out. With little things here and there. But I do all the hard work. Yeah. We have so many videos. Yeah, you want to see them? Yeah, we have one right here. That's a really good one. You should totally check it out. Yeah.
Hey, Randy! We're getting ready to film!